Hello, and welcome to this video about the implementation of ERP software Odoo in our company Dream.
What type of company are you?
We are a beverage and selling company, and the apps we chose for our ERP system were Inventory app, Manufacturing app, Sales app, Point of Sales app, and the Accounting app.
How does Odoo work?
Let's start with the Inventory app. First, we need to create a warehouse. We start off by clicking in the Warehouse Management configuration and we choose the warehouse. Next, we will see the existing warehouses and we can create one by clicking in the Create button. Then we will find a template in which we will fill in with the warehouse name and address. After that, we save it. Next, we will need to create our products. To do that, we click in the Inventory control and we choose Products. After that, we need to fill the template with the product name, type, unit of measure, and the quantities on hand. We can also fill in the components of our product in the Bill of Materials option. Now, we need to create our vendors and customers. First, we will start with the customers. To do that, we go to the Accounting app and we click on the Sales section. After that, we click on the Create button and we fill in the template with the customer name, address, and the type of customer. That can be individual or company. For the vendors, we click on the Purchasing section, we click on the Create button and we fill in the template just like we did for the customers. Next, we need to do an inventory adjustment. To do that, we go back to the Inventory app, we click in the Inventory control section and we choose the Inventory adjustment. Next, we will need to fill up the template with the inventory reference, the location of the inventory, and we can also select the products for our inventory. Now, imagine that we need to buy 250,000 bottles from our vendor Best Bottle. We go to the dashboard and we click on the Receipts box and then click on the Create button. After that, we fill in the template with information regarding the supplier, the item we are buying, and the quantity we need. We choose the scheduled date, we validate it, and the order will be processed and shipped to us. If we, for example, wanted to sell 5,000 of our Dream Drink Deluxe, we go to the dashboard, click on the Delivery Orders box, where we will create a new order and we fill in the template, similar to the supplier orders. After that, we validate it and ship our beverage to the customer.
Oh, I get it. But what happens between the inventory adjustment and the order shipping? How do you manage production?
Good question. Since we produce our own beverages, we go to the Manufacturing app, click on the Manufacturing section, and we choose the Manufacturing orders. Next, we click on the Create button, and we fill in the template with the order reference, the product, and the quantity we are producing, and the components we need to manufacture our product batch. The processed manufacturing orders appear on the calendar that is located in the Planning section. The manufacturer order is integrated with the Inventory app, since you can also create your products and set their bill of materials.
Oh, that's very interesting. But what about the financial part?
We have 3 apps related to that topic: Sales, Accounting, and Point of Sale. Let's start with the Point of Sales app that sells directly to the clients, either individuals or companies. First, we have to create a new session in the dashboard. Next, we will be redirected to a virtual cash register. Here, we choose our customer, then we select the products and quantities. We can also change the product prices and apply discounts. Next, we click on the payment box, where we will choose the payment method, either cash or bank. After that, we click on the Validate button and the receipt of the sale will appear, which can be printed if necessary. Now, let's explore the order section of the POS, where we can see all the selling orders that were made and create new ones. We click on the Create button and we will fill up the template with the fiscal position, the customer, and we choose which product and quantity we wish to sell, similar to the Inventory app. It's necessary to click on the update next to the total. After that, we click on the Payment button, where we choose the payment method. Next, we click on Make Payment and we can issue an invoice by clicking in the Invoice button. After that, we validate and we register the payment.
Oh, this is all very interesting. Could you please tell me more?
Yes, in the sales we have 5 sections: the dashboard, the sales, the invoicing, the report, and the configuration. In the dashboard we have an overview of everything that is done with the sales, from meetings to new actions and performance indicators.
Created using Powtoon.